The Aircraft Large Height Deviation Report. LHD is a reporting mechanism used in aviation to document instances where an aircraft deviates significantly from its assigned altitude or flight level. It is an essential tool for monitoring agencies, such as regional monitoring agencies, to ensure the safety and efficiency of air traffic. When an aircraft deviates from its assigned altitude, it can pose various risks. These risks include potential collisions with other aircraft operating at different altitudes, conflicts with airspace restrictions or other obstacles, and interference with air traffic control instructions. Therefore, it is crucial to promptly identify and address such deviations to maintain the overall safety of the aviation system. The LHD serves as a formal means for pilots and air traffic controllers to report significant altitude deviations. It provides a standardized format for documenting essential information related to the event, such as the flight, details, the assigned altitude, the actual altitude, the duration of the deviation, and any contributing factors or mitigating actions taken. Regional monitoring agencies rely on LiDARs to analyze and investigate altitude deviations. By reviewing these reports, they can identify patterns or trends that may indicate systemic issues or areas for improvement in air traffic management. The agencies can then take appropriate measures to address the underlying causes, such as enhancing pilot training, refining air traffic control procedures, or implementing technological enhancements. Furthermore, the LHD facilitates the sharing of information among relevant stakeholders, including regulatory authorities, airlines, and aviation safety organizations. This sharing of data enables a collaborative approach to safety management, fostering a collective understanding of the factors contributing to altitude deviations and supporting the development of effective strategies to prevent their recurrence. In summary, the Aircraft Large Height Deviation Report is a critical reporting mechanism that helps regional monitoring agencies monitor and address instances where aircraft significantly deviate from their assigned altitudes. .IT plays a vital role in maintaining the safety and efficiency of the aviation system by facilitating analysis, investigation, and the implementation of necessary corrective measures. Let's see how can log into LHD online application. The Mid-RMA LHD online reporting system is a tool designed to facilitate the submission of LHD reports by the focal point user. Visit Mid-RMA website, midrma.com. Find the LHD login link from the main banner under the head Online LHD or by entering lhd.midrma.com on your web browser, and the user will be redirected to LHD login. Enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, kindly contact Mid-RMA. After successful login, the system will display the Large Height Deviation Reports page. The LHD reporting page lists all reports submitted by the logged-in user, and each report will display the following fields: LHD system list serial numbers, report identification number, submission date and time, investigation comments, status, and action link. The reports can be sorted by LHD cause and related to the ATC unit. Users can download these reports from the system by entering the date interval and clicking the export button. Let's see how we can file a NEAL report if there is no LHD for the reporting month. Click the Create New LHD button. As you can see, there are two sections available. Select Section 1, enter the month and year, and click the Submit button. Then, the system will record that there will be no LHD reports for the provided month. Now, we will file the LHD report. Click the Create New LHD button. As you can see, there are two sections available. Select Section 2 to report of an altitude deviation of 300 feet or more between flight level 290 and flight level 410, including those due to TCAS, turbulence, and contingency events. Enter the date of occurrence. Select related to which ATC unit from the drop-down list. Confirm whether the ATC supervisor is informed or not. Provide more information if not informed. Enter the time informed if select yes. Next, provide the flight information. Here, user should enter the operator's name, call sign, aircraft, ICAO type, departure, and destination aerodrome codes. The next section is deviation details. Here, enter the location of occurrence, route, and route type. Then select if it is a FLAS transition area or not, flight level expected by the controller, and actual flight level. Select how the deviation is detected. Enter the duration of the flight on the incorrect flight level. Please enter how many seconds. If other traffic was involved, please specify. Now select the LHD category from the drop-down list. If the report is category EE, describe the occurrence's nature from the available options. Detailed UTC timing should be filed. Enter more details in the last column if any additional information should be provided. Once the form is filled in, review it and click the Submit button. The report will be successfully submitted and notification emails with the details will be sent to the respective focal points. Let's see, how can an ATC focal point submit their investigation comments? Once any LHD report is submitted, the related ATC focal point must investigate and file their investigation comments into the online LHD system. From the page, please click on the View Related LHD Report button. Here are all LHD reports filed related to the user's ATC unit. Sorting and export options are available on this page. To submit your comments against any filed report, click the View LHD link in the Action column. The report details will be open. Scroll down to the bottom. Enter your investigation comments about this LHD report and click the Submit Comment button to file your comments successfully. Here we have demonstrated the simple procedures to file LHD reports, view related LHD reports, and submit your investigation comments. All users kindly let Mid-RMA know if they need any assistance required. Kindly contact our office. Thank you.